Hello and welcome to each one of you to this new episode of Online Lesson. Without further ado, let's begin. Today we're going to look at the Internet Principles of Operation, Part 2. So the next part in the Internet Principle of Operation is the Media Access Control, the MAC address. The MAC address of a device is a unique identifier assigned to a Network Interface Controller, NIC, for communication at the data link layer of a network segment. So an example of a MAC address has been given to you, and this MAC address is a hexadecimal code which represents the following: the hardware physical address, the unique address number, usually it's 12 or 16 hex bits, whereby the first 6 or 8 is a manufacturer code or the ID of the device, and the last 6 or 8 is the serial number of the device. The next part is the Internet Protocol. The Internet Protocol, IP, is the principal communication protocol for relaying packets, that is, data information, across network boundaries. Its routing function enables internet working and essentially establishes the Internet. So we can say that the Internet Protocol is what connects all the computers in the Internet in terms of data transmission. The Internet Protocol address, also known as the IP address. An IP address can be defined as a 32-bit number consisting of 4 octets, that is parts, and this system is known as the Internet Protocol version 4. However, due to the enormous growth of the Internet and the predicted depletion of available addresses, a new version of IP, the IPv6, using 128 bits for the address was developed. IP address are binary numbers that are usually stored in text file and displayed in human readable notation, such as 172.16.254.1 for IPv4 and 2001DB80123405678 for IPv6. The Uniform Resource Locator, also known as a URL. The URL is the address of a resource on the Internet. A URL indicates the location of a resource as well as the protocol used to access it. So example of a URL, you can see we have http www.rockict.net/index.htm. So the first part is the protocol, which dictates the format the file is transferred. The second part is the World Wide Web, which indicates the file is a web page. The third part is a domain name, and the fourth part is the file name or the web page name. The last part of the Internet Principle of Operation is cookies. So what is cookie? Cookie is a small text file up to 4 KB created by a website that is stored in the user's computer, either temporarily for that session only or permanently on the hard disk persistent cookie. Now, cookies provide a way for the website to recognize you and track your preferences. Uses of cookies. So cookies are used to store items that a customer has added to an online shopping basket, to store a customer's credit card detail, to store login details, to track what product a customer browses, target advertising, personalizers and customizers experience, show who are new and returning customers, to speed up login times, to speed up and allow single-click purchases, and lastly, to improve the experience. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, leave a comment on how the channel can be improved, and click on the thumbs up. Until then, see you next time.